Hi guys, welcome back to L&D Home.
Oh, today, I thought you were going to say today we are. Hi, today we are both here, and we are going to be making kissing balls.
What?
Insert picture, kissing balls. It's a ball with flowers on it.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's going to be a challenge. So we're each going to make one, and we have 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Do you have your phone?
Oh yeah, I gotta get my phone out.
5 minutes to see who makes the best kissing ball. So we each have our own materials here. And then we have community materials in the middle that we will use and have to fight over.
Ground rules or anything?
Ground rules.
There are no rules. All right. Well, I guess we are going to start now. So, yeah.
So we're going.
Oh God.
Did you start the timer already?
Yep, it's going.
Why are you going faster than me already? Guys. Come get him.
Get out of here. I'm startled. I'm under pressure.
Under pressure. I was literally just gonna do it.
Push it down on me. Ooh,
Be careful because hot glue tends to melt styrofoam a little bit.
Hot glue tends to melt.
It does. It tends to melt. So, it's just pre-warning. Gosh, I feel
Come on, what? This is not fair.
Why?
I don't know.
Where's?
How'd you get yours in there? Oh God.
You just put them in there.
I just put it in. Has a tendency to melt styrofoam, she says.
It does.
This
oh my God, glue strings. I need a new glue gun.
This is not
trade glue guns.
going well. I need that to be a little shorter. Oh geez. I'm real nervous about this time.
Okay, we could do more than 5.
I can't get it in there. Oh God, we only got 2 minutes? This ain't cool. What?
I mean, we can do like bonus round.
Bonus round?
Yeah, like we just add
God,
an extra few.
I'm just gluing things.
Minutes.
Yeah. Oh God,
the
look at
smaller
this.
Ones.
Look at this.
No. The timer's gonna go off any minute. It's gonna scare
47
me to
seconds.
Death. I just.
Oh God, and I'm out of glue.
No, what are you doing?
Sabotage.
No, it's no fair cheating. Cheating's not allowed. I guess we should have set ground rules. No cheating.
That's not cheating. It's just.
It's not cheating to sabotage?
No.
Guys, let us know in the comments down below. Is it cheating to sabotage your partner?
No, cheating.
While you're in a
cheating would be like
competition?
if I made one of these beforehand and then just like pulled it out, right?
You're telling me you have a secret kissing ball over there
Wrong.
somewhere you're not sharing? I feel like I have like gaps.
Yeah. This is.
I feel like it's been more than 40 seconds.
This is. Oh, yep.
Oh,
there we
there it
go.
goes.
All right. So start a new timer. 5 more minutes. Starting and going.
I guess whoever finishes first.
All right. 5 more minutes. It's going. Oh, crud. What the dickens?
This is my life, guys.
I mean, see, the problem is you can't let it like dry enough to pull the string away to like break it.
No. You have to do it after. That's what I do with my craft projects. I just deal with the string.
It's going so
and then
fast.
I do it after. I can hear like the styrofoam like sizzling.
Ow!
You need finger protectors.
No, I don't.
For no
3
reason.
minutes and 45 seconds. Oh yeah. Oh
So
yeah.
I'm just gonna start pushing more.
God, I got you. Oh no.
So I think I'm gonna have to use some of the other flowers, and I'm not happy about it. Hey, give me one of these.
Wait. You stealing my stuff? How rude. No, get out of here.
Okay, have it back.
That's cheating. Stealing my stuff. That's cheating. I just moved some of your stuff. I'm not that rude.
Yeah, I tried to give it back. You told me to leave.
That doesn't matter. It's not who finishes first. It's who makes the best looking one.
You're right. Okay, so I'll embellish mine since I have so much extra tie.
Okay, I hope it falls apart on you.
How rude! Do you think these things would be ugly sticking out? No?
Yep.
He's like, I can't talk to you right now.
Mine's gonna be better.
You want some help?
No.
Do you want me to pull those off for you?
No. We can't help each other.
Okay. You only have 1 minute.
It's you know what? We shouldn't even time this anymore.
I mean, to be honest, I have hot glue shrimps like everywhere. Like they're all over. So maybe I should worry about picking out the hot glue. So, yeah.
Get a copy over here.
I don't know what else to do because I don't like these ones. I mean, I do, but not for this. I think they're too big. Do you want me to pull those orange ones off for you?
Oh God. Oh God.
So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more of these videos. We fight to the death. It's going to be good times over here at landdhome. For those of you that never see him, this is my husband.
I'm here. I exist.
He does exist. He does, I promise. It's looking good, babe.
Oh, one more hole.
Is that one gonna come
What? No, nothing's coming out. Mine's just awesome. Oh, another hole.
out? You made me laugh when I stuff in my mouth. I almost spit like monster all over the camera. Oh, time! Time! Oh my gosh, they look the same! There we go. So in the comments though, let us know whose is better. Is it mine? Or is it his?
And as always, thanks for watching. L&D Home, Home, Home.
Thanks, guys. You gotta tell them they're awesome sauce.
Thanks, guys. You're awesome teriyaki sauce.
Ah!